Hello students. So today in moral science we are going to study lesson 7, that is salute your nation. Okay. So children, patriotism means what? A feeling of love and respect for your country. So children, we are born in this land, so we should respect. We get our food, water, everything we require for living we get from this land only. So we should be we should pay our respect to our motherland. So we should be true Indian and we should respect our country for giving us such a beautiful life. You must honor the national flag. Honor means respect. You should honor the national flag because it's just not the flag. It is a symbol of our country. It represents our country. So we should pay our deep respect to our national flag. Honor to the national flag is an honor to your motherland because it represents our entire country. So if you give respect to our national flag, which is a national flag, Tiranga, we call it Tiranga because it has tricolors. So when we pay respect to our national flag, we are paying respect to our motherland. The national flag of India has 3 colors: Kesari, or we call it deep saffron on top, white in the middle and dark green at the bottom. So saffron, white and green. And there is also Ashok Chakra in blue color which is placed at the center of the white. So middle stripe is white and in the center of that middle stripe we will find blue Ashok Chakra. Children, this tricolor has a special importance. It signifies that the orange, the saffron color, it signifies courage and sacrifice that our martyrs have made. They have sacrificed their lives for the country. The white color in the middle, it signifies truth and peace, and the green color at the bottom, it signifies fertility or prosperity. Okay, so all the color have their own significance. So the national flag is hosted on Independence Day and Republic Day. Every school celebrate these days. We know that there are these two national festivals like Independence Day and Republic Day. Gandhi Jayanti is also there. But we host our national flag on Independence Day, that falls on 15th of August every year, and Republic Day, that falls on 26th of January every year. And we all celebrate these two national festivals in our school. When the national flag is hoisted, you must stand straight in attention. You must look at the flag with pride and salute it. So when the national flag is hoisted, when you are in school and your father principal is hosting the national flag, so it's not like you are just simply looking here and there and standing at ease. No, you should stand in attention, in proper attention. You should look at the national flag, and when the flag is hoisted, you should salute. By looking at this flag, you should salute the national flag, and it shows our respect to the national flag. Develop the spirit of patriotism and grow up into a useful citizen. So children, you should inculcate the feeling of, or the spirit of patriotism, the love for your country within you, and you should grow up as a responsible citizen who is responsible for every duty the citizen of India should do. You should be a responsible citizen. So this is all for the chapter. Please go through the chapter, children. Thank you.